Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog. I hope you are not bored yet. It is still my holidays, so I'm still at home and you will be seeing me a couple more days before I return to work, and there won't be any more vlog. Or when I can, I will come online for sure and share you a thing or two, especially recipes. I miss ukuleleing and trying to play on the piano, but I really don't have time for those. But I always have time for cooking or baking, so for now it's just recipe vlogs. For today's recipe, it is Kuglof, basically it's like a cake, almost like a tea cake, coffee cake that is always baked in a tube pan. Sometimes the tube pan is a tall one. Kuglof usually a taller style of pan, but you can use any tube pan. And for the following recipe, it is vanilla flavored, but it is so yummy, so delicious, so sweet. Well, not sweet as in sugar sweet. It's just so nice. I drizzled some milk chocolate on top, but you can omit that and serve it as is, or maybe with sprinkled icing sugar. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! For the dry ingredients, this is 1.5 cup enriched flour with 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a generous pinch of fine sea salt. We're just gonna mix it and set to side for now. So this is 305 grams of farmer's cheese. Yes, I'm using gram for that one because it's homemade and it's not packed like butter, and there's measurement for butter. 3/4 cup of sugar and less than 1 cup of unsalted butter. So this is about 211 gram of butter, so that's almost 1 cup but not quite there. And 1 bag or 8 gram of vanilla sugar. Just gonna mix it or cream it. We're gonna cream in egg, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, Mexican vanilla blend, and 4 teaspoons of water. Now we're gonna cream it again. We're gonna add in our dry ingredients, a little at a time. Now dump your thick batter onto greased and floured tube pan. Because this is a thick batter, you want to spread it as evenly as it's possible. Now we're gonna bake it at preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 55 minutes until knife comes up clean. Take out cake from the oven. Cool it for 5 to 8 minutes in the pan before to cooling rack. Now cool cake completely on the rack before we drizzle with chocolates. Now this is 1.5 handful of milk chocolate chips. We're gonna melt it in microwave. And to do it at 30 seconds intervals until completely melted. Now you can either do this right away, drizzle it on the cake, or you can make ganache, or you can add a little bit oil. It's up to you, but it's ready to be drizzled on the cake. Ta-da! Nice texture.